Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today I'm going to tell about how to of this problem setting, guys. You can say I cannot use my phone. What is happening? So today I want to tell about how to use this setting and how to off this setting, guys. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start with, friends. First of all, what will you have to, guys? Use your two finger, guys, and guys, come on setting, and after that, guys, click on accessibility. You can tap to turn, guys. You can use your two finger. So guys, click here and now click here, guys,
accessibility,
and guys, use your two finger. Come on, guys, TalkBack, click to type,
accessibility,
and guys, you can say use TalkBack, guys.
navigate up, you stop,
Stop.
stop,
So guys, now you can see you can use your phone, guys. So I think, guys, you have understood how to solve TalkBack problem in Jio phone next, guys. So thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope, guys, you like this video. So guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel, guys. Do you have any doubt? So guys, you can ask me in comment section. I will tell you. Bye bye, friends. But before, guys, please go and like my videos.